Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video we are going to be doing my May product empties, and I am super excited to jump into this, so let's just go ahead and get started. Okay you guys, jumping right on into this, we do have a candle. This product empties, it's been only a minute I think. This is the of course Bath & Body Works caramel drizzle candle. First things first, I loved the packaging of this candle. It is super cute and super sleek, and this candle does smell really freaking good. The notes on it are sugarcane crystals, melted butter, whisked sweet cream. I really enjoyed burning this candle. I think it was not too sweet and not too overpowering. I would definitely get this one again. We're gonna stick on the Bath & Body Works train, and I did finish up another foaming hand soap. You guys know how I feel about the foaming hand soap. This was the pineapple mango scent. Holy cow, you guys, I truly think as far as spring and like summer scents go, this is probably one of the best ones I have ever tried. It smells seriously so freaking delicious. The notes on this one are fresh pineapple juice, mango, and vine ripened raspberry. 10 out of 10 would totally get this scent again. It smells amazing. Next, I did finish up two of the Bath & Body Works 24-hour moisture ultra shea body creams. This was a little mini size in the At the Beach scent. I absolutely love this scent. This is one like I would keep in my car for when like my hands or my arms are really dry. I'll put the notes on the screen because the little ones don't have them written on there, but I love this scent, and my grandma actually got me a full-size lotion in this, which is great, so I can't wait to use it. I also finished up the scent in Saltwater Breeze. Another great one. The notes on this are fresh linen, violet leaves, water blossom, and white musk. I really like this one because it has kind of like a beachy scent, but also a very clean scent. So if you're someone that doesn't like it to smell overly coconutty or overly beachy, if you will, I do think this is a really great option. You guys know that I love the 24-hour moisture ultra shea body creams from Bath & Body Works. I think they are so wonderfully moisturizing. They leave your skin feeling very hydrated. I highly recommend, especially when you can get like the buy two get three, or the buy three get, no, I'm pretty sure it's the buy two get three. Either way, it's absolutely amazing. In that same scent, I did also finish up their creamy body scrub. Now, I'm not sure if you guys remember, but a couple product empties back, I had used their like sugar scrub in the Peachy scent, and I did not like that one. The granules were too large. It didn't feel like I was doing anything. It just wasn't very effective. This was much better than that one. This actually had more of almost like a lotion consistency, but with tiny little granules in it. It still kind of feels like you're somewhat washing your body while exfoliating because of the consistency, but I felt that this was a better exfoliator, so I really did like this. I would consider getting it again because I just like the fact that it comes in a squeezy tube, whereas most body scrubs that you use either come in tubs or bags. So I did like this, and you guys already know I like the scent, so I think I would pick this up again when I go through some of my other scrubs that I already have. Speaking of body scrubs, I did finish up this one right here. This is the Ritual of Sakura, the Celebrate Each Day Body Scrub in Organic Rice and Cherry Blossom. I got this in my, ooh, what was that bad boy called? Look Fantastic box. There it is. Brain is on the decline. So I got this in a Look Fantastic box, so I had never heard of this brand before. First things first, it smelled really nice. It has a very, very clean smell. I don't know what organic rice is supposed to smell like, and I guess if I think hard enough about it, it does kind of smell like cherry blossom, but not in a way. It just smelled kind of clean. This was not a large tub by any means, and it actually was not even all the way filled up when I started to use it. So I was a little disappointed in the amount of product that came in here. I'm not sure if it's full size, but it's 4.4 ounces. I will say, however, that I loved the body scrub. I think it did a phenomenal job of actually doing what I want in a body scrub, being rough but not too rough, so it actually exfoliates. It didn't have any sort of like foaming consistently like some of the ones from Bath & Body Works that I've tried. So I really did enjoy it. I don't know that I would purchase it again because I would have to do a little bit of research. Like I said, I didn't feel like this was full enough. If it was a full size, there wasn't all that product in there, so I would see, but I did enjoy it and I didn't really pay for it, so that works out well for me. There's the truck going by. Okay, still on the body scrub train. Yes, I know. I have almost finished up, and I don't want to bring the sponge in here because it's beginning to look dingy, but this Daily Concepts Daily Body Scrubber, I bought this as an extra add-on in one of my single swag boxes, if you guys remember that. If I can find the video this was in, I'll link it up here for you guys. And so I thought I would try it out. I think I maybe paid $5 for it, and essentially it looks just like a regular rectangular loofah, except it's a little thicker, so you're meant to use whatever body wash or soap on it that you want, and it exfoliates your body while you wash. I really enjoyed this. First of all, I didn't use this like every day, and you guys, as you can see, I've used a lot of body scrubs, so it's not like that was the only one I was using, so it did last me a long time, which I really appreciate. I'm sure it would last less if you used just that like multiple times a week. The thing I really liked about this product is on the body scrubber itself, there's a little tag with like words on it, and the whole ticket to know when it's no longer good to use anymore is when all those little words like fade away, which I thought is a great way, because I know that I can say I've done this, kept loofahs or body scrubs or things like that too long, like probably past when I should have been using them. So I really like that aspect of this product. I would get it again. I know you can get it at Ulta. I think they're probably about $10 or so, but I thought it was really nice. Another body wash product, you guys. I'm so excited to tell you that I finished this up. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Gel Cream, Shower Cream Gel. I can't read. You guys know that I love Sol de Janeiro. You guys know I love the Bum Bum Cream scent. This is in that same scent. I already have a backup of this. I use this sparingly. I will say I made this last a long time. I only use this if I knew I was going to moisturize with my Bum Bum cream when I got out of the shower, because I do use other moisturizers as well. I would only pair this with the Bum Bum cream. Like, I wasn't going to wash my body with this and then put the Bath & Body Works lotion on top of it. Nay, nay. If I was going to wash with this, I was going to moisturize with this, so I smelled like this, if that makes sense. But I loved it. Like I said, I already have another one. I will continue to repurchase. I think it's absolutely great. And a little bit goes a long way with that body wash, you guys. Like, 10 out of 10, amazing. Let's see, I had some makeup remover products that I want to talk to you guys about. The first one is this L'Oreal Micellar Cleansing Water. I really like this. Now, I didn't use this whole thing. My friend Casey gave it to me when it probably had about this much in it. So I did use a good bit of it. Let me say, this is probably one of the best makeup removers, or micellar waters, if you will, that I have ever tried. First of all, a little bit goes a long way. Like, I would start to squirt it, and then all of a sudden, next thing I know, my entire cotton round would be fully saturated. And so then I would use both sides of the cotton round, almost like it was 2 cotton rounds, if you will. I think this took off my makeup very, very well. It did not irritate my skin or my eyes, which is a very, very, very big thing for me when it comes to makeup removing products. I cannot stand ones that burn your eyes. Like, why would you do that? You know I have to take off my eye makeup. And I'm sure this is quite affordable. They say it's for normal to oily skin. You can use it on your face, eyes, and lips. It says it is suitable for sensitive skin as it's free of oil, soap, and alcohol. And I think this is great. I'll put the price of it on the screen because I'm not sure how much it is. I think I have like 2 more micellar waters that I'm using up, but I really would buy this again because I'm sure it's not that expensive, and I think it worked so stinking well. Another micellar water that I used up was a sample of this Purity micellar cleansing water. I hated this, which made my heart so sad because you guys know I use the Purity Made Simple Cleanser. I have been using that for what feels like eons at this point, but this micellar water burned my eyes, which is terrible because it says avoid direct contact with eyes. What am I supposed to use it for? I am not going to use this on my face, something else on my eyes, and then go in with another cleanser. No! I hated this. I would not recommend this. I will not use it again. Like -10 out of 10. It was terrible. I did finish up a little mini face wash. This is the Hoola Purifying Gel Cleanser. This was like a deluxe sample size. First of all, the scent on this was kind of unique. I liked it. It kind of smells a little mentholy, but with something else. But I actually really enjoyed this cleanser. I did not use this on my eyes. I only used my Purity one on my eyes because it does have such a strong scent. So I think if you have sensitive skin, you probably wouldn't like this, or your skin may not react well to it. But my skin seemed to do okay with it. Like I said, I didn't wash my eyes with it just to be on the safe side. But I thought it did a nice job. To be honest, I don't think I would purchase it as another facial cleanser just because I have used other ones that I liked more than this. But it wasn't bad for what it was, if I'm being honest. Another makeup remover product, it was hiding over there, I didn't see it. I also got this in my Look Fantastic box, and this is the Evie Loom cleanser. It's pretty much like a cleansing balm, kind of like the Clinique Take Off the Day or the Pharmacy Green Clean. This is expensive, okay, and I don't like the smell at all. It smells like fruit leather, if you guys know what that is. I will say, this compared to the Pharmacy Green Clean kind of left my skin feeling a little more, not oily. It kind of felt like it had a film on it. That's the words I want to use. So I didn't really like this. I would not buy this with my own money because I think it's a little more expensive than like the Clinique Take Off the Day Cleansing Balm or the Pharmacy Green Clean. And like I said, the scent was just a no from me, dog. I did finish up another 100 count of cotton rounds. This is just the, I'm pretty sure the Equate, yeah, brand. I'm not doing nothing crazy with that. I like cotton rounds. Finished up some dry shampoo, y'all. All right, so I did finish up just a few samples of some different facial moisturizers. Gonna run through these very quick because it's really hard to give a really solid opinion or thought on it because these are pretty much one-time use packets. But this was the First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Cream. I'm actually gonna hold on to this little packet because I really liked the way that it smelled. It had this tiniest hint of coconut scent to it, but it just smelled pretty fresh, like almost had like a nose scent smell to it. I felt like it really hydrated my skin and I really enjoyed it. So I think I'm gonna hold on to this because I may try like a bigger deluxe sample size of it or something. This was the Tatcha The Water Cream in, it says refreshing and anti-aging pore perfecting Japanese wild rose. The scent was a little for me, but I thought it was nice. I just am not going to buy it because Tatcha is way too expensive and your girl is not going to fall in love with something like that. Absolutely not. And this was just the Sephora Instant Moisturizer. This was actually not that bad. I have no idea how much this cost, but I thought it was pretty good. This was a great little sample packet because I got like 2 or 3 days out of it. I am not sure that I would go like reach for it because it is a little bit thicker for me to use as a daytime moisturizer just because you guys know I have oily skin. I don't think my makeup would lay well over it, but if you have a little bit more dry skin, maybe not like super dry, but just a little bit dry, you may like this, and I'm sure it's decently affordable if you will. Last 2 things I have here are actually makeup products, and I have not finished these up, but they've got to go. First things first is this Inglot gel liner. This is in the shade 90. It's just a brown gel liner. As you guys can see, I barely use this. I feel so shameful showing this here. But you guys, I bought this, first of all, it's hella expired, okay? I bought this years ago in New York City. This was when I first wanted to get gel liners. Inglot was all the rage. I went in and for some stupid reason, I bought a black, which of course I used up and that's long gone. But then I don't know why I bought this brown. Like, oh, I was not doing brown liner. I think I did 1 look with some brown eyeliner, hence the 3 lines in it, and I just never used it. It got pushed to the back of my drawer. I never did brown winged eyeliner or anything. So this is very much expired. I will say Inglot gel liner is really, really nice. Like if you are looking to get some really good gel liner, they are great. This is just, I should not try to revive it. Like, hello, some sort of weird eye infection, like no thank you. And the last thing that I'm going to show you guys is this Natasha Denona All Matte Safari Palette. I'm sure you guys may remember that I actually got this in a Sephora haul. I want to say last year. It was a very, large Sephora haul, and I was so excited because this palette was on sale, and then I got it even more on sale because of being a Sephora VIP or whatever. And this palette looks beautiful. It is an all matte eyeshadow palette in some of the most stunning shades I have ever seen. It's absolutely beautiful in the packaging. You guys know I love olive green. I thought the outer packaging was absolutely stunning. But girl, if this was not the shittiest palette I have literally ever used. The fact that this is supposed to be one of her like $130 palettes is a crime. And it's funny because I think not long after I mentioned this in a video, like I mentioned how I started to film with this palette and it was just going 100% down the tubes like the instant I started using it. And I got actually quite a few comments that people said that this palette is trash, that other people say this palette is trash. I tried this palette a few times. I tried using almost every color. The first look I was trying to do was going to be like these blues and grays with these purples. It was going to be phenomenal, you guys. I had a great vision. These things do not blend well. They are so patchy. The pigment isn't even where it should be for $130. It's pathetic. It is so pathetic, and I just refuse to keep it in my collection. I kept it for a while because I was like, maybe I just need to try different things, but you guys, I did. I tried eye primers, and I tried multiple different eye primers. You guys don't know I don't even use eyeshadow primers. I tried different concealers as the base. I tried nothing on my lids. I tried different brushes. I tried using my fingers. It's shit. It is absolutely terrible. And truthfully, you guys, I know there are a ton of you that love Natasha Denona palettes. And even this one aside, you love Natasha Denona palettes, even you know this one is bad. But this really turned me off from wanting to buy her palettes that are this price. Like, no. So this is going in the garbage. I'm absolutely just have nothing nice to say about that. I am so sorry. But either way, that is going to be all for this month's product empties. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on anything that I mentioned in this video. And yeah, you guys, I really hope that you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you did like the video, you guys know the drill. Please give it a big thumbs up. That really helps me out. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We have hit 1,500 subscribers, you guys. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. So I am going to be planning my 1,500 subscriber giveaway soon. I'm super pumped. So do keep your eyes peeled for that. Make sure you subscribe so that way you can enter in that video. Hit that notification bell. That way you never miss an upload from me. And yeah, guys, I will catch you in my next one. Bye.